Dr. Nate here, practicing orthodontist, and this is my go-to guide on what to expect when you're getting braces and how to prepare. If you're just about to get braces, here are my steps. Number one, get some earphones or bring some earphones along with you for the first appointment. When you're getting your braces on, the first appointment's kind of long. It's like 45 minutes to an hour. A lot of the times it's putting on braces, taking pictures, maybe taking some x-rays, maybe taking some molds. So that appointment is a little longer than normal. And the reason I say bring some earphones is because at our office, we have Netflix and all sorts of entertainment on the screen for you, but not all offices have that. So if you want to have something that is going to entertain you for that 45 minutes to an hour, it's good to have some earphones and play a podcast or song or something to entertain you for that first appointment. Secondly, get your soft food ready. Your orthodontists or dental assistants are going to talk to you about what you can and can't eat, but you definitely want to enjoy this soft and small. So get your protein shakes ready, get your bananas, get your yogurt, get anything that is soft and small that you're going to be able to eat right after that appointment and for the next few days. Now remember, your teeth are going to be sore for a few days and you're going to want to have stuff that's soft and small. After that, you can gradually get harder and harder food, but you always want to be careful not to break off the braces. Thirdly, get an electric toothbrush. Now you should already have an electric toothbrush. I tell every single person to get an electric toothbrush. I don't think I know a single dentist or orthodontist that does not have an electric toothbrush. You gotta go out there and spend that 50 bucks or whatever it is to get something that's gonna clean your teeth really good, because you're gonna save thousands and thousands of dollars in dental work. And also when it comes to braces, your teeth are gonna move faster if they are healthy. Also, gums tend to get a little bit more puffy when you have braces on, so the electric toothbrush is gonna help you keep your teeth and gums clean. Although if that's Sonicare listening, I would love to be sponsored by you. But I think they're just an outstanding toothbrush. I love the vibrations that it has. I like it over other ones that are kind of the rotational ones. The ones with Sonicare are more the vibration. And to me, that just cleans a little bit better, especially with braces. Fourthly, get that super floss or those plackers that are meant for braces. When you get braces on, the brushing is honestly pretty darn straightforward. You gotta brush on, above, and below the braces, but flossing is a whole lot different. Super floss has one hard end on it, and so you're able to put the super floss through the braces and floss a whole lot easier. But my personal favorite is plackers because it comes in this little doohickey that makes it easy to floss between your teeth while you have braces. Remember, if you're getting plackers or anything that comes pre-made, you gotta make sure it says ortho or braces on it because they're all made slightly differently. Fifth, if you wanna be extra, you can go get that water flosser. Water flossers are great because they can really get into those hard to reach places that brushing and flossing can't do. Now, don't get me wrong, brushing and flossing is the most important thing to do, but if you wanna be extra, get that water flosser just to get all those extra particles out of your mouth. Number 6, get some ACT mouthwash. ACT mouthwash is that mouthwash that contains a little bit of fluoride that prevents you from getting that white and brown spots on your teeth after braces. When you take your braces off, you wanna have those nice, beautiful teeth. You don't wanna have those yellow, brown, white scars on them. And ACT mouthwash or mouthwash that has fluoride will help prevent that from happening. Number 7, get an outstanding water bottle. Now you may be thinking, Dr. Nate, why do I need a water bottle? And the reason is because you're gonna get food stuck in your braces. So for me, when I had braces, I carried around a water bottle with me at all times because if I'm gonna have a snack, I like to rinse with water to get all that food particles out of your mouth. Now, if you're gonna do a full brushing and flossing and all that good stuff after every single meal, more power to you. But water is a nice way just to get those big particles out of your braces to make it look like your teeth are a whole lot cleaner. And number 8, make sure you get a lot of wax and those Christmas tree brushes from your orthodontist. Wax will be your best friend for the first few days. Wax is just something you can tear off and put into a little ball and put it on your braces or your bracket or whatever is hurting you for that first few days of braces. I always tell patients not to use this too much because you want your mouth to develop some type of kind of like a callus, and that's gonna allow you to feel more comfortable with the braces long term. And the Christmas tree brushes or the interproximal brushes, those are the brushes that are really itty bitty and super tiny, and they can go in between the braces, in between the wires, and that just allows you to make those teeth extra clean. And lastly, remember the first few weeks of braces is the most difficult, and the discomfort's gonna last for maybe a few days, but it will go away. And remember, you're doing all this so you can have that nice, beautiful smile at the end of your journey. Now you're well on your way to having a beautiful smile. You know all the tips and tricks before you get your braces on. Once again, Dr. Nate here at Thrive Dental and Orthodontics. And if I give you any value in this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.